Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Thank God I'm here. Because it's been a while and finally I have the chance to film. Before anything else, I would like to greet everyone advanced happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy this moment with your family, with your friends, your neighbors, or anyone you would want to spend with. I hope you have the joy, the happiness, or it's the same thing. It is great that we all come together in celebration of a common purpose, giving thanks for all the things that is happening in our life, our blessings, the people that love us. It's been like 1 week already since I posted my last video, so I wanted to do this unboxing. Well, I'm just gonna say today we're going to be doing a unboxing and first impression of my first iPhone case. Well, my first iPhone case is the Apple one, but this one is not Apple and it's from Lameeku. So they sent me 2 packages right here, so we'll unbox it together and we'll see how it looks like on my phone. So as far as everyone knows, I have my new phone, which is the iPhone XS Max. Just in case you haven't watched it, I'm just gonna link it right here. So we're gonna start with this case right here. Both of these are from Lameeku. There, it's a box and a receipt. So oops, kinda squished. I hope the product or the item is still okay. And then, oh, they have a dust bag, and this is the case. Oh man, rose gold. So there's like 3 items right here. Kind of adjustable sling and the case itself. So we're gonna talk about this first. The feel of it, it's kind of like it's too thin. I don't know. I don't trust it. Low quality type of handle. This is the chain right here. It's pretty. So this is one thing that's really nice with this sling because you can adjust it. There's a lot of holes right here. If you're tall, you can like move it in this kind of hole. Then if you're short, you can just like keep it this way. And then the third one is the case or something like informations that says Lameeku, email and website, and some code bars with our email again, and then their website. The case, it's kind of high quality. Yeah, it looks kind of expensive. And a rubber right here. I love that they have the Lameeku name. It's kind of like decent looking. Weird around here on this side. But look at that. So there's 1, 2, 3 slots where you could put your cards. Hands-free when you're using it, so it's kind of cool. There's something in here that looks weird. If you guys see that, it's kind of scratched, and the way they stitched it, protruding right here. We'll test it. 1 Bonds card here. Put it right here. It's long if you have a longer card, so that would fit in there. And I don't know if you could put any cash right there. Maybe it's safe because you're gonna snap it like that, so I don't think it's gonna be, you know, unsafe to put cash in there. So that's how it looks like with a card. Cool. It's kind of tight, not really loose. But the only problem that I have is just this one right here, how they, you know, they sew it. Let's see how it looks like here. Yeah, it looks nice. The buttons on the side is soft. It's not hard to press, and the volume is kind of soft too, so no problem. And there's a hole right there just in case you want to silent or unsilent your phone. See, that's the side, that's the upper side. So if they could improve this stitching right here, I think that would be nice. First, we'll try putting this one right here. Test it. There. Cool. Yeah. Nice. When you text with this handle right here, or I don't know what you call this, but if ever it falls, oops. Yeah. This is a really nice idea, but I just wish that they would make stronger type of handle. Feels like it's a styrofoam. That's how I feel. So I'm just telling my real thoughts about it. I just don't want to tell you guys false information. I just hope that they fix this handle right here. So the longer one, they have 2 hooks. It hurts my thumb. There, easy. And then the other side. There. Oh. Huh. This is nice. Look at that. But it's kind of loose. This one helps, but I hope they make it kind of like tighter right here so that it doesn't run everywhere. It's up to my thighs right here, so I think that's fine. This one is running everywhere. I wish they could like make it tighter. This case costs $16.99 on Amazon, and they have different colors actually. They have black of this same kind and green, but they have also they have black, they have rose gold, which is this one. They have the green one, which is not really green. It looks kind of bluish green. But then they also have one that is silver, and then the other one is white marble, and one it's called flower. So both the green color, the white marble, and the flower cost $17.99. And the rest, the black, rose gold, and the silver costs $16.99. For the price, something that you would use when you're shopping so that you are hands-free would be a good case to buy. Downside of this case is leather is kind of sensitive. We've seen one scratch right here. I think they were in a hurry to make this iPhone XS cases, so I hope the next time they make this kind of cases, they should fix this weird area right here. So yeah, that's how I feel about this. The color is super nice if you are a rose gold lover, and I hope that you can tighten this part right here so that it's not running everywhere, and so that when you're wearing it, it stays right. It's stuck right there, and you don't have problems of this coming off and swinging everywhere, and that's annoying. So overall, I rate this maybe 6 out of 10. I think this is also rose gold from Lameeku, so we're gonna unbox it. Again, boxes, they have little tiny receipt right here. And then here's the cases. They sent me 2 cases. And we'll see how it looks like. I'm so excited. So this is how they do their packaging. Like that. And of course, they have the dust bag. Here we go. Ah, look! And this time, up. Oh, there you go. This one doesn't have any sling with it. So let's see. Open. And then, ta-da! So there is card slots that can securely store up 6 cards in a little cache. And there's one behind it where if you want to put any extra paper or receipts, you can put it right there. And the other side too. So yeah, that's cool. Let's put this one right here. That's how deep it is. And then my debit card there. And then my Vons card. So let's put this one right here. Then one in the other side. Nice! Then let's close it. I'm really having trouble with closing this. Okay. Soft zipper. So I wish this is gold. Rose gold just fits with gold hardware, but I don't know. It's fine, I guess. It looks like that. Doesn't have any problems with stitching and all, so that's good. So let's try put our phone in here. There. Cool. Assuming I'm in the store and I want to grab my card and pay something. Oh. Pay. Swipe. Easy. Then close. Soft side. Soft in here too. The same thing. And then you can easily grab the silent, unsilent mode. It's super compact. I love it. As I was trying this zipper right here, it's really soft. The second one, let's see. And I know this is rose gold also. Same thing. Dust bag. Rose gold. And this one has sling with it. So 3 stuff that you're gonna get if you get this kind of style. Then I don't like it. But this one right here is nice, thick. And I love this one because it's tighter. This is the case. This is interesting. Oh, I don't know what this is for. Like for safety or something? I don't know. There's 2 slots in here and then 2 slots in here. And you can put a picture or whatever you want to put in there. Then one in the upper side. Let's put this one in here. Or like that. Like so. So yeah, I think out of all the 3 iPhone XS wallet case that I've unboxed, this is my favorite. Like, this is more worth the price, $16.99. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing and first impression. All the information is gonna be in the description box. Thank you for watching and listening to my annoying Filipino accent. And I hope you guys again have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we have a lot of things to be thankful for, and yeah, just keep it going. Yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!